Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you there are multiple fresher position opened in MetLife. Let's discuss about the requirement process and job details. This is the official career page of MetLife. Let's discuss about the job details. This position is for junior software dev engineer. Location they mention like Pune and Maharashtra, and it's also full-time opportunity guys. And the work model they mention like it's a hybrid model. So most of the corporate is following that one. So the posted yesterday only they posted this job position, and this is like the job ID. Let's discuss about the job responsibility. So candidate need to modernize the CI/CD using Git access, reusable workflow templates, and also standardize automation aligned to COE standard. And also that junior software engineer need to administrative and govern GitHub Enterprise, and including repo onboarding, access model, and branch of protection, and also run in security controls. So he need to drive the DevSecOps adoption by integrating security scanning, compliance check, and enterprise control into the pipelines. So as you are joining as a fresher, you will learn step by step process. So don't worry about that one. So you have to enable develop or productivity through automation, and also co-pilot adoption, consulting, and continuous improvement driven by the metrics. So these are some job responsibility for the junior software engineer. So make sure you have to follow that one. What is the experience they are expecting? The experience they are expecting 0 to 2 years. So fresher is eligible for this particular position, and also they are saying hands-on experience dev sector operation and GitHub Enterprise. So those who are coming from the college, at least they have idea about GitHub. So most of the thing you will learn from your seniors. What is the technical skill they mentioned here? So expertise in GitHub Enterprise and CI/CD pipeline, including GitHub Action, responsibility governance, secure dev sector ops practices, and migration from the Azure DevOps. So these all looks like it's cloud. They are expecting a cloud engineer who wants to join as a fresher, and also strong automation and collaboration skill with proficiency in Git and scripting API, ability to advise and enable teams across the enterprise. So while you are joining as a as they mentioned junior software dev engineer, you will learn from the scratch, and also try to involve with your senior project manager and also leads, so you will get some more idea. So about MetLife, so these are company details, so you can go through this one. So these are some details about the company. If you are interested to apply this position, so you can click this apply button, so it will redirect into this page. So here you can see these 6 steps you have to follow that one. These are some basic thing as you want to join as a corporate industry. So these are some basic idea you have in your mind. I hope this video is helpful. Still, if you have any query and doubt in your side, feel free to comment in the comment box. In my available time, I will reply for your message. Thank you so much those who are watching my video. If you think this video is helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.